Good morning, everybody. Welcome to True Once. This is the day. It is August the 2nd of 2020. It is the IPSY day where we go through what is in our bags for the Glam bag as well as the Ultimate. And then yesterday we got to share together what was in the Glam Bag Plus and everything that was new about the Glam Bag Plus, as well as the sneak peeks of all of the add-ons. So if you are, I will try to link that down below in the description box if you missed that video yesterday. But I want to start off by saying, if you're new to my channel, please take the time now to subscribe. It is really easy and it's free. It's the red button that you find right underneath this video. You press it, it turns gray, you're in. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell, and YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy because I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you guys to miss out. So if you press that subscribe button and ring that bell, you'll receive that email and you will be in the know. Also, I have your attention and you're in that area. If you could take a second and choose to press on the thumbs up that is right underneath the video. What it is, and the number will change on the thumbs up and it will turn blue. What it does is it informs YouTube to put my video in front of other people that haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet, but they enjoy this type of content. So if you are enjoying my videos, if you could take a second to give me that thumbs up in my videos, it really helps me a lot. And I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. All right, let's get to this. So the first bag that we're talking about here is the Glam bag. The Glam bag is the $12 bag a month that usually has 5 sample sizes in it, but sometimes they'll throw in a full-size item in there. So let's see what they picked for me today. So they're saying, here is my August Glam bag. So the bag looks beautiful. It looks like it says, the future is bright, it's shiny and new, but just like the month's futuristic holographic finish, let's look inside and see what kind of beauty tomorrow holds for us. And the first item it looks like they're giving us is a Bubble Tea Cosmetics. It is a peach ice tea body cream. The next item is a Tea and Treat lip balm, water balm with natural, I guess, products inside. This was also in some of the add-ons that we saw yesterday. The next is the IPSY by Petra Endless Silk Eye Pen in Jeweled Pewter. It is IPSY by Petra, and the Real Her Color Rich Lip Gloss in Be Limitless, as well as my choice, which was the Camo Shimmer eyeshadow palette in Orza. And if you watched my add-ons yesterday, you'll see that one of the, I didn't share with you what I picked, so I'm not going to tell you that right now. Okay, so then there is one item there that there is going to be a duplicate for me, which I think next time in the future I might wait to the second day, because I got a little overexcited yesterday, and it was only after I realized that I don't know what's in my bags, and that's why I like sharing with you guys what's in my Glam bags before I choose what I'm going to be adding as my add-ons. And I was right after I confirmed that it's something I'm going to wait next time. But I did see a couple of items that were already sold out on yesterday's, and that's why I think it pushed me to do it. So far I only have one, and it was a $3 one, so it's not so bad. So let's see what's going on here. All right, so here you can see it's a bigger bag with the same material, and then I'm going to get the 111 skin, which, if you haven't seen that video, that is a fantastic video that I did about this whole 111 skin line. And this is another booster, and it's one that I don't own, so I'm really excited about that. And then the Complex Culture Plush Brush Powder Brush. Then we have the Feel Vitamin E Balm, a Makeup Drop CBD and Silver Face Mask. We have from Payot Paris a Hydra 24 Plus Cream Glacé. It looks like a lot of products that are going to be new to me. The Real Her Eye AM Amazing 24-Hour Eyeliner in black, the Soapbox Coconut Milk Hair Mist, the Than Hydrating Emulsion, the Dr. OKIMS Plus Cleaning Gel Foam, a Generation Clay, the Detoxifying Charcoal Australian Clay Mask, and the Koki Cosmetics Mini Fix Up Setting Spray, and the SEO Sunday Riley 15% Vitamin C Brightening Serum, which was my pick. The Generation Clay, I'm really excited to be getting that. I received one in the past that was purple and I really enjoyed it. What ironic with this is the Koki Cosmetics, I got the small version of this. I used some points last month. That's going to be in one of my boxes. So hopefully this is the full size, but we'll have to check when everything arrives. So that's everything that I'm getting in my boxes. And if you haven't had the opportunity to see yesterday's video, what I will do is I will go back to the original Glam bag, and because on the Glam bag Plus you will see the items in yesterday's video of what I picked, so I will definitely put a link down below in reference to that. But if you didn't have a chance, I just want to quickly go through the items here, that they have some offers today in the shopper. So that's what's going on in the shopper. All right, just wanted to see if there was any which way that I can click on the Get Extras products. So let's try that again. And it's not bringing me to the add-ons. I do not know why. I'll have to play with that after the fact. Let's see here under the Ultimate. Yeah, there's something going on that is not showing the extra products. So what I will do, guys, is I will definitely put the link down below so you guys will be able to see in the Glam Bag Plus what my choices were, and then you guys will be able to see the add-ons from there. Pretty sure once you choose, because you're allowed 8 items per bag, and the Ultimate should allow me, as well as yeah, this is everything that I chose for my Plus, and then those are the add-ons that I chose. And as you can see, the Real Her that's going to be in my bag, this one isn't. This one I chose for myself here in the add-ons, so I'm going to have a duplicate of that one small item. But I definitely wanted the Estate palette, so I'm happy I didn't get duplicates on any of these other add-ons, and those were the 4 that I tried here. So once you choose the add-ons, you can't go back to choose more per bag, but it definitely should have allowed me to choose some add-ons today. So I will watch and see if that comes up, because there are a couple that I wanted to put into a different bag, because I am allowed 8 in each bag. And once you check out, you can't go back when it goes to the add-ons, because they immediately start working on getting your bags out to us. So if you haven't done your Glam Bag Plus yet, you have until August the 3rd to do what I did yesterday. And if you want to check it out prior to, definitely I will leave, like I said, the link down below. But if you ever want to check any of my videos out, you simply go to where it says True Wants in bold letters underneath the video. You'll see my subscription count and the name True Wants. You press on that True Wants, and it brings up a second screen where it shows all the videos I've ever done on IPSY. And if you want to simply see IPSY ones, IPSY videos, or IPSY flash sales, or IPSY Glam Bag Plus, all you do is type that into the search bar, and only those videos will come up. It will narrow down the search for you. All right. Once again, as always, guys, I do appreciate so much that you take any time out of your day to spend it with me here. It means everything. I also want you guys to leave in the comments down below if you enjoyed yesterday's video about how the new Glam Plus works, or if, like me, you would prefer everything to be on the same day, like on the 2nd of every day, so that the add-ons and everything you could put in your bags the same day that you get to put it in all your other bags. That's just something for me that when after I did my confirmation, I realized what if, and I was right, because one of my add-ons is now going to be in my glam bag, so I wouldn't have put that in the bag because I was already getting it. So it's nice that they can give us a sneak peek on the add-ons a day before, but if you get all 3 bags like I do, or, you know, by choosing those add-ons, I could have also chose the 111 skin and a couple of other items that I didn't know were going to be in my bag. So please leave me in the comments down below if you like the way the new system is, or like me, if you would prefer it to all be on the 2nd. I really hope they give us a survey on this so that we can give them some feedback. But I would love to know what your thoughts are, so please leave that in the comments down below. And once again, everybody, continue to stay safe and stay well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.